Hey, I'm Kyle Alexander with Professional Car Washing and Detailing Magazine and CarWash.com, and this is your first weekend review of 2025. This week in Car Wash e-News, Splash Car Wash opened its 66th location in Henrietta, New York. The new wash, outfitted with a 130-foot conveyor and 27 free self-serve vacuums, is Splash's 41st car wash in New York. The Henrietta location was completed under the direction of Dave Clements and Jeff Arnold, Splash's development partners. They're also managing the construction of a new site in Hamburg, New York, which is expected to open within the next month. Construction has also begun on washes in Fayetteville, New York, expected to open this summer, as well as Springfield, Massachusetts, Newburgh, New York, and Nanuet, New York. And those washes are expected to open in the late summer to early fall of 2025. National Car Wash Solutions has acquired AMP memberships. This strategic addition positions NCS to offer an advanced suite of integrated solutions tailored to the needs of car wash owners and operators. AMP's innovative platform includes a next-generation mobile app and the groundbreaking Clarity POS system, which offers real-time data insights, fraud reduction, and intuitive sales tools for attendants. Additionally, the company empowers operators by providing unrestricted access to the full suite of tools via a fully customizable on-demand self-service portal. The integration of AMP's advanced analytics, machine learning, and fully integrated POS solutions enhance NCS's connected car wash. And finally, Mr. Car Wash announced it has voluntarily transferred the listing of its common stock from the New York Stock Exchange to the Nasdaq Global Select Market. The switch became effective December 31st, 2024, after the market closed. Mr. Car Wash's stock is available to trade on the Nasdaq now. It continues to trade under the ticker symbol MCW, and Mr. Car Wash is the largest car wash brand in the U.S. according to our Professional Car Washing and Detailing 2024 Top 50 list of U.S. conveyor car washes with over 500 locations. That'll do it for this week's Weekend Review. You can find the full stories of these highlights at our website, carwash.com. You can also sign up for our free e-news and magazine at carwash.com/subscribe. I've been Kyle Alexander, and as always, keep on sparkling.